Alright everyone, this is my bike check. Right now I have Haro stock bars, Kink stock grips, a Shadow attack stem, a Haro Exo frame, and lime green of course, some shitty forks. I run Kenda contact tires front and back, a little spike cap thing, and some random rim Y22 something. I have Shadow PC pedals, but I have no clue what version they are. Lime green. I have a Shadow sprocket, I don't even know what that is either, it's in orange. A Shadow Interlock V2 half-link chain in lime green. My back rim is a black sheep rim. And another Shadow little pig. An animal seat clamp, demolition seat post, and an animal seat. I think that's... Oh, it's a Haro XO 09 frame. Pretty crappy. Alright guys.